What's up, guys? This is your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun, back at y'all with another video. Happy Easter to everyone. I'm out running around real quick, just running to the store and everything. I hope everybody having a great day on Easter Sunday. Yeah, I'm out for the moment. The wife and baby girl came home for Easter today, and then they leaving back out. Daughter gonna go stay for her Easter break with her mom, and then I gotta pick her up. Then her mother will be back at home after about a week or so from work again. So yeah, in the meantime, we just gonna keep pushing and moving and grooving with the shop thing at Demons Detailing. So anybody in the area, make sure y'all stop through. 500 Tire Hill Road, right behind Tire Hill Taco. Make sure y'all stop and grab some good tacos too. They got some great tacos. But yeah, so hopefully y'all will keep watching the videos, giving a thumbs up, man. Today is gonna be just a chill day with the family, so y'all ain't gonna see too much videos of me today. Yeah, we out, we colorful today, Easter, so we a little colorful for Easter and everything. Hopefully y'all like it. If y'all don't, the shirt say "bite me." Just so you know. Yeah, but we ain't doing much. Happy that the wife and baby girl was able to come spend Easter with me and Demon. So we've been hanging out. We didn't do the usual cabbage, potatoes, ham. We just had steak, fried onions, mushrooms, and candy yams, and some I forgot what them little green things is. Y'all give me a minute, I'll come back to y'all on that, because I always forget the name of it, because I don't eat them. I don't really like them too tough, unless they really, really buttery. You know what I mean? But yeah, we actually riding in another rental car. This one is a 2019 Malibu. I like this one. It's all black inside with a little bit of the gray on the dash. Let y'all check it out. Got a nice little radio too, nothing too huge. It ain't nothing special on the dash and none of that. And it don't have sport mode, eco, it don't have none of that. But it's a pretty decent little car. It actually has a remote start. That's a good feature for a lot of people who don't like coming out their house in the cold. But it's just a normal Malibu, man, nothing special. But it's a nice ride. It's smooth. We'll say that. It does have a little pickup. It comes with a little turbo. Nothing serious. A little small one. But the interior, I like the black. It's cloth though, but I like black. And fits what I got on today, actually, you know. But for all those Chevy riders out there who like Chevy, it's a Malibu and it's not bad. It's actually pretty decent. Come on, buddy. Where you gone? But yeah, it's not a bad little car. I got a partner who actually, y'all probably seen him in the video before. Scott from Small Town Outcast. Y'all probably seen him in the video, but yeah, it's decent. Let y'all see the color before I slide in the store real quick. You know, see, it's alright. Nothing special, but yep, that's it. Just a regular old Malibu. Nothing special, y'all. You know, Malibu, LT. See, it's like a little darker than Scott's too. But yeah, that's what we riding in right now. But I'm gonna run in this store and I'll get back to y'all in a minute. So, yep. So I'm back. So hopefully you guys enjoyed y'all day with y'all families, y'all kids. My daughter went on an Easter egg hunt while she was out there with her mom at where she worked at. She had fun. She brought home, then they came home and brought a whole bunch of candy. Only thing is they ain't had no M&Ms. I was a little salty about that. They ain't had no M&Ms. I ain't gonna lie, the little Malibu got some pickup though. But they ain't had no M&Ms. Let me tell y'all parents out there, y'all need to put some M&Ms in them Easter egg hunts and stuff. I understand the bag kind of big, you know. I like the peanut M&Ms. I need my daughter to come on with some peanut M&Ms. I just had to buy some from Dollar General. They're my favorites, you know. But yeah, all right, tool back to the house so they can get ready to go. Cause my daughter like, can I please stay the spring break while they're with mom? Then you can come pick me up. So I'm gonna go pick her up on Tuesday out Uniontown, PA. So yeah, you know, she broke down in tears. Plus her birthday is on Monday, next Monday. So April 6th. So yeah, probably show y'all a see her in a video for her birthday. So y'all can wish her happy birthday on that video. But I'm gonna let her go ahead and go hang with her out there with her mom. Cause she like being out there at the hotel at the pool, you know. And she say she wanna go work out at the gym too, like her brother. From when he went out there. So that's what it's gonna be. So it's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, smash the notification bell so y'all get all upcoming content that I put out. So Chevy Cruze, I give it thumbs up, but I feel like they can have a little bit more features. I know, get an Impala. I had that. I rented that one time before. Hey, look. I rented the Impala, had me wanting to buy one, but I never got one. So, yeah, need all those extra features, you know what I mean? Gotta go get you an Impala. So, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Yeah, they got some pickup. That little pickup. gonna down the Chevy Cruise, you know what I mean? I'm not downing it. You know, it's just, I like the Camry better over this Camry. It was definitely quick. But catch y'all on the next one.